What's going on, everybody? Happy Saturday. I think today's July 20th. Looking outside at the ocean. Ooh, stepping on water. I'm here at work. Look at all that strip of green there. That's part of the national park, Biscayne National Park, so that is protected. So there's a lot of wild animals in those areas from the trees out towards the mangroves and the water. Looks like we're going to get some rain today. If I look to the north, not those pink buildings, but the ones a little bit towards the right, you can see a whole cluster. I don't know if you can see it or not from here, but that's downtown Miami. Downtown Miami's over there. It looks like we're going to get some rain. Anyway, it's nice and breezy up here. We're getting the influence of the ocean. And, well, I'll leave it at that. Hope you enjoy the view and have a great weekend.